The world is changing. I know, I'm sure all of you are aware that technology is rapidly advancing. Phones are becoming more complicated. Phones are becoming practically laptops. The desktop has practically disappeared. Everything is becoming smaller and smaller. And this, growth of technology influences what surgeons do as well. And as a heart surgeon, I too am influenced by how technology is changing. For us as heart surgeons, it's extremely beneficial the way technology has changed, which means that I can now see inside the chest. I can also look inside the heart with very small, minute cameras. I don't know if you've heard about this. There's something called minimally invasive heart surgery. I'm also sure that you might have heard of robotic surgery. And all these techniques, these new techniques, are now routinely done in heart surgical practice. So that means if I'm a heart surgeon, I can use advanced technology to aid my surgery. How does it help you? The way it's going to help you is that the long cuts, the cutting of the bone, and the trauma for the chest belongs to a bygone era. There are still some small subset of patients, a few patients who might still require open surgery, but the majority of patients don't require to undergo open surgery. So for patients, it's extremely beneficial. I can use a beautiful camera, look inside the chest, and do the same operation that once required the chest to be cut into two halves. It's no longer required, like I told you, which means that you can recover really well. So there are two things that we can do. One is called a minimally invasive surgery, which has to be done through a very small cut, about 2 inches or less than that, and where we use an advanced camera to look inside the heart. And the other is something called robotic heart surgery. And in robotic heart surgery, you use a robot to do the operation, where the cuts are about 8 millimeters, less than a centimeter, 8 millimeters. So both of them help the patient in a myriad of ways. And if you have been, or somebody you know has been told to undergo a heart operation, you must consult somebody who does robotic heart surgery or minimally invasive. Currently, we are the only ones doing robotic heart surgery, and our experience with minimally invasive is more than 15 years. So it's a very long experience, and I can tell you it's a very safe operation. And I can also tell you that our patients are extremely satisfied once they undergo these procedures. It helps them recover really fast and get back to normal life in under 10 days. And if it's robotic surgery, in under 5 days.